Okay, sir. This is Paravi and MD Rajiv and me. We are teammate and we have a big digital marketing agency and we do YouTube SEO and promotions related work. So at first, I want to introduce our agency to you, sir. Can I share my screen?
Of course.
Thank you so much. Okay, this is our website fsdfreelancehelp.com. In this website, you will find all of our contact informations and all about us. And if you scroll down, then you can see my picture is attached here, and I am CEO and founder of this agency. And we have lot of previous work history. If you go to our client meeting sections, then you will find there are a lot of previous work history we have performed and previously buyer we are working with. And if you go next, then you will find more and more buyer meeting. And we have lot of skilled freelancer working in our team. If you go to our team sections, then you'll find there are a lot of skilled freelancer working in our team, and they all are expert. They are working beside our team. They are working on Fiverr and Upwork also. And if you go next, then you will find there are 300 plus skilled guy working in our agency. And we have a YouTube channel, sir. This is our
Oh,
YouTube channel, FSD Freelance Self. On this channel, we have gained 214K subscriber and uploaded 118 one videos. And if you go to our videos popular sections, then you can see 1.6 million views, 9 lakh 8K views, 5 lakh 69K views, and many more. And all of the views we have gained organically with the YouTube SEO. So recently, our team member has audited your YouTube channel and found some on-page SEO problem. And if you can fix that problem, then your channel possible to grow, sir. So if you are interested, then we'll go ahead.
I'm interested. Go ahead.
Okay, sir. So basically, we found some on-page SEO problem. On-page SEO means your video title are not SEO friendly, your video description is not SEO optimized, and you are not using high volume rank text to your videos. So we'll optimize and fix all of the problems, and we'll basically increase your video SEO score. And when we optimize your each of the things, then your video will go on top. When someone searches related to your video, then your video will go on top, and you will get more organic views and organic
Yeah.
subscribers. So we have two packages for YouTube SEO. One is weekly and another is monthly. In our weekly package, we will optimize your 10 video and it costs $120 and it takes 7 days to deliver. And another package is monthly. In our monthly package, we will optimize you 30 video and it costs $300 and it takes 30 days to complete the work. And after completing the work, we will show you all of our work proof, how we increase your video, how we improved your videos, all of the proof we will show you. And gradually within 1 to 2 weeks you will get good results. And for starting the work, we have two methods. One is you can give your channel access to us as a editor or editor limited, then we can optimize each of the things from our side. But if you do not want to give your channel access, we have another method, which is you just send your video links, 10 or 30 video links to us, which video you want to do SEO. Then we'll optimize each of the things and make a report sheet, and we'll hand over to you. Then you just copy and paste to your videos by yourselves. And
Right.
for getting payment, and our payment system is when you hire us, you have to pay 50% advance, and rest of the 50% after completing the work. And for getting payment, we support Remitly, we support Western Union, and we support Payoneer. So if you do not know how to pay by Remitly or something else, then our team member will guide you, no problem. So now all about I told you our work process and everything. So if you have any questions, you can ask.
Yeah. So, what program do you guys use for the SEO optimization?
Basically, we increase your video SEO score. If you want to grow a YouTube channel very fast on 2024, then you have to increase your video SEO score. You have to upgrade your video SEO, and you have to use high volume rank tags. Which tag has high search volume but competition is low, that type of text you have to use, but you are not using that type of text. So we have lot of tools to research that type of text, and we will assist you to increase your video score by using that type of text.
Yeah, because like I understand, you do the SEO, but like I'm curious as to which tools you use. Because like I'm also interested to put in the work, and we don't have a very high budget yet. We're working on it, but I'm just curious. So just take a look at
Okay,
it and see how it works.
so as a YouTube SEO expert, we have a lot of tools. So basically we use TubeBuddy, vidIQ, Moz, Rapid Text, any other tools we also use.
Okay, Vidal. Yeah, right. Okay. Because we don't make money yet with monetization, we just we plan to get monetized. But however, we try to seek income by sponsorships. That's the main problem right now. So right now, the SEO, how much impact is it really gonna have on our channel?
SEO is an organic process, so it obviously impact to grow your channels, but it will not works instantly. You will get you have to wait within 1 to 2 weeks, and definitely you will get good results.
Okay.
And if you want, we also can help you through your thumbnail design, your video editing, and we
Yeah.
also can suggest you what should improve on your channels. And we also can assist you through your competitor analysis. What should you increase? All of the things your YouTube channel is about. So we also can help you.
Yeah. I have one more question.
Yeah.
Like, what makes you different than other people that do SEO or just regular SEO things?
Regular SEO does not work so good because they are not know the real process or organic process through researching the keywords, optimize the titles. We have separate tools to optimize your video titles only. So regular people are not using so that high research for optimize the video. So we deeply research each and everything.
Okay, I mean, but I mean regular people with regular SEO for YouTube,
Yeah.
like specifically.
Yeah. So we have a lot of difference from regular people's. So at first you can take our weekly packages and charge our work. If you are satisfied, then you can go for the monthly one. No problem.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Oh,
So
thank you for it. So like I'm not the head of the channel. I'm just well, a co-owner of the channel. So I cannot make the decision right now to decide if I will go on with the service. I will because yeah I'm in charge of the marketing and all that stuff.
okay, no problem. So you discuss with your partners
Yeah,
and think
yeah.
about it and let us know. And then our if you are take decisions to take our service, then let us know our team member. Then he will start the work. So are you from, sir?
I'm from the Netherlands.
Okay.
Yeah,
So I love Netherlands, a
yeah.
very beautiful countries. So you have invitations to come Bangladesh if you ever come to the Bangladesh. So communicate with us. We have a big digital marketing agency, and we are a freelancers agency. So if you need any further work regarding freelancing, we can assist you. So
Yeah, right. Because I am actually right now looking myself really into freelancing as a marketer, as an SEO optimizer, as a a meta ads guy. So I'm really interested in how you are doing this work actually. And
yeah,
actually, for a fact, I'm going next month to India. So
we are a digital marketing agency, and we work regarding this like meta ads, Google ads, and social media management, social media marketing, all type of work we do. And we also can promote your video through Google ads or Facebook ads. And if you run Google ads or promote by Facebook ads, then you will get instant results overnight. You will get subscribers and views also.
okay,
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 sir. So thanks for your time and hope to work with you for a long time, sir.
of course. Of
Okay.
course, I will discuss it and I will let you know via the email if this will be a thing or not.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
No,
Okay.
I like the way you guys operate. So
Okay, sir. Yeah. Bye bye.
thank you. Have a good day. Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye
Have a good
bye.
Bye bye.